Hi, howdy. Today we're going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see it from here. I have already drawn a bigger circle. Then I'm going to put a love sign on the left part of this drawing. And you can see the sign here. All right. Okay, so this is just the outline. Let's put the color for the whole face. Then we're going to do the iconic details which is used for the expressions. Let's fill it up with the same color. It's a light color, you can see. All right. The drawing is in progress, you can see. All right, so the uniform color is done. Now we're going to put the red color inside that. So let's put the color for the love sign. The red, you can see. I'm going to put a uniform deep color for that part. So this is a heart sign. Okay, I'm going to put the right eyebrow here and the right eye, left eyebrow here, and this is the drawing of the eye, and this is a symbol for love expressions. So you have seen this is the basic outline, and it looks good. You can draw the same drawing at home and you can do practice, and this is going to be look very nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and stay with Rohan Drawings. In our next videos we're going to bring more interesting items and another subjects. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.